Hey guys, how are you? Welcome. It's been a while since I did one of these. It's been so busy, trying to get this business together, trying to, I finally found a house. So I'm in the process of moving and I'm on the go, and it's like really, really quick because my husband's really not into doing videos. So, and he's been home from the road to help me with some stuff. Today I have some Bojangles, and you can see the sign in the back. I'm eating in the car. Meals on Wheels, guys. Meals on Wheels. Just saying. I didn't eat in there because they had music playing, and I'm really kind of trying to come over so y'all can see me. But get this together. Yeah. Salt all over the nails. Put too much salt on this. I'm sorry, guys. Too much salt. It's not sunny at all today. What in the world? So anyway, I put my hot sauce. I put hot sauce on. I don't use ketchup as much anymore. I like hot sauce on my fries, hot sauce on my chicken, whatever. Let me say grace. Thank you for this food I'm about to receive. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. I pray the sound is okay. I never tried to do this in airplane mode, but usually I just will block certain things from my phone so it doesn't come up on my screen, or I don't get a call from this person, that person. Then I saw someone else when they were doing their lunch break, and she did the airplane mode. I'm like, why didn't I think of that? Well, it's been busy, y'all. I forgot to do a thumbnail. Grab these chicken wings. I get so confused on doing thumbnails. What's the best way to do it? Whatever. Guys, like, comment, subscribe. Share this page with your friends, family. Help me grow my YouTube family. So as you know, I started my property preservation. This would be good with some Be Lovely sauce. Jesus Christ. And it's been something. I got my first order on the house, and I swear I think they gave me the worst house. We had to go in and do lock changes. I have to cook back tomorrow because I got to turn this order in by tomorrow and do the winterization on this house, which is crazy because my husband and I, we couldn't even find a water tank, a hot water tank. I need that to do that. I can do it without if the pipes hold pressure, but I'm just rambling right now. Eat this. Go to the house we're living in now. My husband and my son, my youngest son, they're down there trying to finish up so we were gonna move tomorrow, but we did a walkthrough and stuff yesterday, so we're gonna go ahead and move, which I'm glad, because once I can get settled in that, I can be more frequent with, hopefully, with doing these videos. I want to be consistent. I had been, but then things got really busy, so such is life outside of doing this. I had a doctor's appointment today. Crazy. It's like you do the same stuff over and over again. Didn't we just do this? I just came here to get my blood work reports. See if my cholesterol and all that stuff is okay. And of course it's not. This doesn't help. But I don't eat as much fried anymore. I might need to change up my butter when I'm doing my seafood boils, or just eating, even when I'm not feeling, eating shrimp, sauteed shrimp, whatever, grilled. I need to try my new smokeless grill. I haven't tried it yet. I bought a bunch of stuff because I was like, when I move, I want to have this, this, and that. So, that's what it is. My husband has this huge fish tank that he didn't have it operational for like years. And now he wants to do that. I love the fish. So we made one room. It's gonna be the fish room. His tank is like, it's huge. It's gonna for sure take up that whole wall, y'all. You know what? Oh, there it is. I agree. Said they didn't give me my rice. I'm eating my hair. I'm that hungry. So I had to wait on the food, which is fine because that means it's good and fresh, right? Hot. But then I hate when they give you chicken and don't automatically give you hot sauce. What the freak? Ask for hot sauce. They had to wait for her to go back in there and get the hot sauce because they had to bring my stuff to the truck. Then once I looked in the bag, the box, no straws. So I had to get out and go in and get the straws. That's crazy. My back hurt. I went to my son's 30th birthday party. Yes, last night. One, it was supposed to be at like a Kiki's chicken and waffle place. Ooh, I waited all day because I'm gonna eat some chicken and waffles. It's supposed to start at 7:30. So at 7, as I am headed in that direction to pick my mommy up and then go, my son calls and says, we're not going to do it at Kiki's Chicken and Waffle. We're going to do it at Wild Wings where I can have some drinks. Isn't it crazy? Well, that's where it was. And it was like I left it like 10 though. But I didn't get home till I had to go to Walmart and buy a freaking blow up bed because my husband called me while I was out at the party and said, I'm going to take our bed. He'd already taken our kids' beds down and they were going to sleep on their blow up mattress. Well, their blow up mattress is better. It's like really, it's like a plush blow up bed. And he goes, go by to Walmart and grab one of those blow up beds because I'm going to take our bed down. Mind you, we have a king. So that meant we slept on the blow up bed last night. And yeah, I could just roll right on off of that and onto the floor, which I needed because that thing hurt the heck out of my back. That's how my husband is. When it's something that has to be done, he is a getter-doner, okay? And that might be the years that he was in the military. I don't know. But he gets boom, 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 boom. Let's get it. Let's go. And he was so impatient with me yesterday at that property that we had to do. And he wasn't fussing or anything, but because I'm still in the learning process. He has years of experience of doing that, even though he drives trucks now. He doesn't do that. He didn't want me to start the business. He was like, I'm not going to be here to help you all the time. So he came home. He's been here for about 2 weeks now. He's not been home that long in a while. But that was because I got approved to work for this particular, my company got approved to work with another company that has the orders from the banks for the foreclosed homes. And then he said, well, I'm going to try to teach you as much as I can teach you. And I'm just trying to absorb it. Like, you know, I used to go out with him when he did it, but I didn't do all of the work. I only did like some of the work. So it's like I have to learn it all because this is my company. It's for our family, but really it's my company. But I have both our names on it. Because, I don't know, for some reason, even though my company is has a decent name, it's not like a ghetto name or anything like that. But when you're talking to people sometimes or whatever, you're giving them your card. When you're a woman, they look at you like you don't know. So that's why I'm like nervous and I'm in a phase of I need to absorb everything he's telling me because I don't want to be that woman that, you know what I'm saying? Oh, she don't know what she doing. That type of situation. Which I don't know everything that I'm doing. But they don't need to know that. You know. That's what we know. Look how much time I got. Guys, like, comment, subscribe, share. Because sharing is caring. You know that. So do it. Oh God, I have to eat so fast. I don't like eating fast. That's a mess with me. You don't give your body time to take it in. You just like trying to scarf it in. They probably calling me now like, where you at? Where the food? Well, I done ate mine. I ain't getting that sweet. I had like the 3-wing dinner. I love wings. That's my favorite. But lately, no matter how hungry I am, if I eat that, I only eat like 2 wings, and then like my son will eat. My son will eat the last wing, or my husband, whatever, will eat it. It's here. But it's, I don't know, y'all. I don't know, y'all. I need my hand sanitizer. I hate not being able to wipe my hands. There it is. Hand sanitizer. This stuff, oh my God. This stuff smells like a freaking newborn baby. You know what I'm saying? You get that feeling, oh, I want a baby. My husband had the nerve to say that one day. Last week or the week before, whatever. We were getting tires put on. This little girl running around a thing, and he goes, dang what he went, but he went. And I guess he thought I wasn't paying attention because I was reading something. You could hear the brake squeal in my head. What? I said, well, if you have one, it ain't gonna be with me. And if you have one without me, enjoy. Y'all, I got to go. I got to go. It has been fun. What is it? 17. I guess so I leave my phone where it is. Ooh, my hand all in the screen. I gotta really figure out. I broke my, I don't know how I broke the screw. Sorry for having that phone up in my face. The screw up on my little camera holder, but I did. So, yeah, green light, green light. But that's, I'm gonna have to go and get another one. But I need to get, say what I saw at Walmart, so I can have that in my office, and I can start doing my Mukbangs in my office when I move. Because I've been doing them in my rooms. I had no room for any of that. So hopefully, and I'm thinking about using my daughter's, I think she has a camera or something my husband bought her. I'm like, he bought her everything. Okay. But anywho, I have this camera all in my face. It's against the law, huh? Anyway, I have this camera on me while I'm here. Might not be the best thing. Excuse me, y'all. It's gonna use some video. This is gonna be a shaky video. There we go. I sit here. Hopefully it don't. Y'all can see the sky through the sunroof. I ain't opening. Do y'all open y'all sunroof a lot? I don't open mine a lot. I like to have them though. I like to be able with it, but I don't open them. Maybe 3-4 times a year, if that. It's just so noisy with the wind. So I'm gonna head on down here and get. He said he's gotten everything done say God, I swear to gosh, that it's just hard. It's like as soon as I get like, okay, I'm almost done with all of these clothes. Next thing I know, it's more clothes. What the freak? Y'all, I don't know. Let's say about that. So guys, let me know down below if you want to see more lunchtime with Tommy. Tommy breaks, whatever you want to call it. I would appreciate it, and I also would appreciate, I appreciate y'all subscribing to me. I'm new, I'm starting, and I'm figuring it out. And I want to get better at it, more consistent with it, video, recording, and if you could share these videos or tell somebody about these videos so that we can, grow this YouTube family, it would be awesome. I said I was going to post a video of my son, because he plays football. So I may just post that, but before I post it, I'll do like a little Mukbang, and after the Mukbang, then I'll do his video, and then I'll do another video after that. It'll all be in one video, but that's how it's going to be set up. Mukbanging, football video, back to Mukbang, right? Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. Try to do it one day next week. Hopefully, if I have gotten a little settled or whatever, because I'm trying to get the stuff that I need. I went out and bought new living room furniture, dining room furniture, and my husband's like, well, I like to sit in there with the fish tank once I get it going, and so we want to do our little couple thing. That's our little room with the fish tank. Is so nice when you do that. I know we did that before when he had it up and running, and I missed it. So I'm not looking forward to us buying these expensive fish, because saltwater fish is very expensive, y'all. Not like the, regular fish tank. Some of these fish, can go for $800. I personally, we never buy anything for $800, not even $4. But I think my husband has gotten something for like $3 something, but he'd get like a discount or whatever because he buys so much from these people. But yeah, we went and looked at that and talked to the guy and told him, this back good, and yay at the same time. But so I just bought, I was supposed to be on my way from the doctor's office straight down here, get them some food to go home. And I said, let me stop in this store here, see if they have a couch, because we were looking for a couch for the room we're going to call fish room. We'll figure out. Anyway, the first thing I saw was this chocolate couch, which my other furniture is a gray tone. But I'm like, okay, this will work in that room for what he's trying to do. So yeah, I'll do that. And we have to go back and pick it up. And I need to get some rollers or whatever you call it. Yeah, that's what we're doing. It's been good seeing y'all, and well, I haven't seen you, but you know what I'm saying. Being back on here, I missed it. I didn't think I would miss it, and I'm dying to get back to it. It's just I have not been able to do it. So yeah, it's it's crazy. Last minute, direct me to get glad that my drive is going to be a lot shorter, you know, from running my son football practices, and then football season started, and late games, and then we lived like really out of the zone from our school. But we, you know, like freaking 30 something minutes, maybe 40 in the traffic. That's one way. So, yeah, hopefully, where am I at? Okay. And, yeah, that's what we're doing. It's a shorter commute, guys. Maybe I won't be so tired. I probably will be, because I started this business. But I hope everything works out with it, because trying to figure out how to use the app that I have to use in order to take the pictures within the app, and which was fine taking the pictures, but I think I did one step too many, and I might have messed up one thing. But they give you 5 chances in the beginning to, you know, overcome whatever mistakes you made. So hopefully I will overcome this obstacle and be okay with it, because I take the pictures in the app and certain things, and you're supposed to be able to label it, but for some reason I couldn't figure out how to get the thing labeled. And then you can send the pictures from your app to your computer, that way you're not sending it in to them until you're ready. And that's what I thought I was doing, and I hope that's what I did, because I still have to go back out to that property, take more pictures, do the winterization procedures, take pictures of me doing it, and if I decide I want to bid on cleaning it out, because it didn't have a lot of stuff in it, so I'm cool with that, you know, then that's what it'll be. Another one in there for $40 and it'll stop dinging. There's nothing wrong with the tire. Brand new tires. Anyway, this rider kicks butt. Kicks booty. Booty. I'm sure my husband has called me, but I have this phone in airplane mode so I can talk to you. To you all. I'll just be like, oh, it's a bad signal, whatever. I'll probably post this tonight. Well, I'm probably going to post it in the morning. That's what I like to post. I'm probably too busy doing this crap. It is what it is, and it ain't what it ain't. So once again, I love you. As Pop said in the who saw the Eddie Murphy thing, Vampires in Brooklyn or something like that. He said, "God loves me, God loves you. Good night." So that's what I'm gonna say. God definitely loves you. God definitely loves me. Have a very blessed day, and I will see you on the other side of tomorrow. Love you. Peace.